guys, welcome back to another video. I'll give it 5 and today we have another unboxing of Pokemon cards. Today we are unboxing Giratina and Garchomp GX. I don't know if I'm saying Giratina. I don't know. Sorry guys. So a GX tag team, full art GX. I already said GX like 3 times. Okay, let's open it. Okay. So of course you get the card, which looks really cool when you open this thing. Okay. And then we got this, the GX tag team. Then this comes with that, and then the Pokemon pack. It comes with Evolution's Raichu, and then Sun and Moon Lost Thunder, and then Undefined Mind, and the same thing. So I'm going to be opening those up. I didn't even get the card out of here. That was just so confusing. Let me close my door quick. Lol. Oh, okay, so, okay, I found it. I got it. Okay, so here it is. Wait, is it like... Oh, it's scratchy too. It's a scratchy. It's scratchy. It's a full art. Well, it's my first tag team now. Okay, let me do the Evolutions one first. Okay. I don't want to rip any of the cards. I think there's always the energy at the end, but I don't want to risk it. Okay, so, we got these kind of things. Venusaur Spirit Link, Metapod, Charizard Spirit Link, a Vulpix, Electabuzz, Magikarp, Ghastly, Sandshrew, a Professor Oak, Reverse Hollow Trainer card, and Starmie. Not Reverse Hollow, but rare. Okay, let's get those cards back over here. Next, with the Sun and Moon Lost Thunder. I'll reveal the codes later since, I don't really play the game. I'm going to put myself right here. Let me open this quick. Don't want to, rip the cards. That'll be really bad. Code there. 1, 2, 3. I haven't opened Pokemon cards in a long time, so that's why. Pinsir, Choice Helmet Trainer card, Morty Trainer card, Yamask, Jigglypuff, Mareep, Alolan Vulpix, yes, this is my favorite Alolan form, Houndour, Reverse Hollow Silcoon, Tangrowth, and Electric Energy card. Whew, okay. Let's go to the next two. Oh my god, why do I keep losing my spoon? Oh yeah, I forgot the Vulpix. Keep losing my scissors, man. Okay, let me this here. So I didn't really get that much good cards. Let's try. I'm gonna do the Mewtwo and Mew one. I haven't gotten a GX yet, but I would like to get one. Okay, so the card. Then 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3. Front. Breloom. Scissors back here. Dark City Trainer card. I'm not even gonna try to say that name. No, I don't know that. Fomontis, I don't know. Riolu, okay. A Purloin. A Joltik. Joltik. A Alolan Grimer. I'm not even gonna say that. And Energy. So this is supposed to be our rare card. Yeah. Man. Oh, the Lowland Grimer was Reverse Hollow. Okay. Last one, right? Yeah, last set. Oh my god, I can't believe this is the last set and I haven't got like any good Pokemon cards. Did I even open it fully? No, I didn't. Oh my god. Okay, last pack. Piyukumaku. I don't know. Vigoroth. Trainer card. Litwick. Cubone. Iamna. Young Goose. I don't know. Oh, we got a good card. Litwick Reverse Hollow. And, oh my god, yes, we pulled a GX. Let's go. Weevil GX. Full art? Not a full art. But, oh my god, let's go. 2 GXs and a pack. Let's go, Weevil GX. Oh my god, because while I was I saw the Litwick, and then I saw like some of it. I was like, oh no, no. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yes, I will be showing the codes in a moment. Just wait 1 second. God, yay. So, 2 GXs. Now here are all the cards that I got on the set. I got pretty good cards. I got like a few Reverse Hollow, like the Litwick one, the Reverse Hollow, Silcoon Reverse Hollow, Reverse Hollow Professor Oxen, Ghastly, Magikarp. Oh my god, Magikarp, my friend loves Magikarp. Then Metapod, then of course Reverse Hollow, Alolan Grimer. This is so cool, yay. Okay. And of course, last, and then it comes with this GX tag team, which is really cool. So yeah, guys, let me show the cards. This is the one that came with the, you know what? I'm not gonna give the tag team one away, but I'll give the packs away. And the last one has the one for a Weevil GX. Ooh. Okay, so first, this is the first pack. This is the second pack. This is a third pack. And this is the one with the Weevil GX. This. I'll show it again. First pack. Second pack. Third pack. And fourth pack with the GX. So guys, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry guys. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. That was a really good video. Got 2 GXs. And I can't believe that this is my first GX that I pulled out. And my first tag team GX and my first scratchy GX card, since I have a scratchy Professor Willow. No. I don't know. No, not Professor Willow. Professor Professor Kukui. And I got the Weevil GX. Sadly not a full art, but it's still fine. It's still GX. I love GXs. Evolves from Sneasel. And then Garchomp and Giratina GX. 270. It's a dragon type. 160 plus damage. when this one does 130. Okay, let's read this. This is also full art too. It's full art. So the text says, if your opponent active Pokemon has any damage counters on it, this attack does 80 more damage. 80 more damage. That's more than 200. $2,400. Okay, I did like the math quietly. 2,400 damage. This is good. I love this card. And this came with like, this is like there's like a 3-pack tin thing. It came with like there's like 3 other of them. Alright. There's the Garchomp, Air, and Giratina. And there is the Lucario and Melmetal, and Mewtwo and Mew. Gaming Emperor unboxed this recently. I'll put his link in the description below. I'll put the link of the video in the description below. Cool 2019, made in China, of course. Everything's like made in China, whatever. So yeah. Oh no, 1, 2, 3. Oh no. Hey. Okay. I'm gonna keep the card that had my GX in it. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed 11-minute unboxing. Sorry, so make it not that fast. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.